Breakdown of sound redesign for a scene from Arcane. At the beginning, I select ambient sounds for the scene and slightly rebalance their volumes with each shot change. And then add brighter layers of ambience to emphasize each new scene. On close-ups, add the rustling of clothing. The boys fall into the snow. Falling snowflakes when shown in close-up are also emphasized. The magical orb consists of several layers. With these sounds, I wanted to show that the orb has gone out. I also added these footsteps even though the character is far away, because they are important for the dramaturgy.